To delete a text message or a conversation or chat on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all, we're going to open the Google Messages app. Now in here, if you want to delete a single message or just a couple of messages, then you can go to the chat where you have those messages that you want to delete. Then you can press and hold your finger on the first message that should be deleted to select it. Then you can keep tapping on more messages that you want to remove. And once you select everything, then here at the top, you should be able to find this trash icon, which we can use to, of course, delete all of those selected messages. And in case you decide to remove a whole conversation or whole chat, you can press and hold your finger on that conversation in the main menu, and then you can tap on the trash icon again. And of course, you can select multiple conversations at once. And you can also go to the conversation and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to find the trash option, which also you can use to simply delete the whole chat. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.